Tomato, tomato. Vitamin, vitamin. What does pronunciation have to do with your business documents? A lot, actually. Getting the information you need in a consistent format eliminates errors and speeds up data processing. It means you get what you need the first time someone fills out your document. Welcome to Jotform. I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how a feature called document input masking can help you get cleaner data faster. So data input masking works in any Jotform document, but I'm going to make a new one to demonstrate. So I'm going to hit create here in my dashboard, and I'm making a signable document, and I'm going to use a template just to demonstrate. So here's a contract template. You can add data input masking to any field really, but I'll just show you for this one here. So for reason, say that we want this to be just like a short one-word answer, something that we don't want someone typing a whole paragraph into. So we're going to limit how many characters they can type in this field. You're going to click on the little gear icon here to bring up the side menu, and under options, you're going to toggle on input mask. This will determine how many characters and what they can enter. So it says here as well, but the @ symbol is for letters. They can only enter letters. The hashtag symbol is so they can only enter numbers, and then an asterisk, they could enter either a letter or a number. So in this case, we want words. So we're going to enter the @ symbol and say we're going to limit it to 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 @ symbols. So that will limit the response that they can give here to 10 letters. So I'll show you how that looks for a client. As the person it was sent to, I get this email saying my signature is requested for this document. I can click here and it will take me to that. Okay, so let's say I filled out all this other information here, and I get to the reason field here, which we have already set at having a 10-letter maximum. I was always, cuts me off at 10 here. And of course you can speak to that in the text of your document so people aren't wondering why they can't type more. You can say 10 character limit right on the field there. There are certain fields in Jotform that already have data input masking assigned to them to make it easy for you. So an example of that is the phone number field. So if you click through to the options page for that, you can see that it's already got the input mask for a standard phone number format. You can change this to be any format you like. So if you want even the country code on there, for example, you could have a number as first. There's international formats, of course. Whatever format you're working with, you can have the input mask however you like in there. Another thing input masking is great for is capturing application numbers, something that is in a certain format that you want it to come through and be processed accurately the first time. So let's just say that this contract name field here is like a membership number. Go to the options, turn on input masking, and set that up so that everyone's membership number is going to come in properly formatted. So maybe it always starts with like 2 numbers, for example. So we got 2 numbers, and then there's a dash, and maybe people wouldn't really write the dash in between, and then it might get messed up in your system, and you want to make sure it's having that format with the dash. So you've got 2 numbers and then a dash and then maybe like 3 more numbers. Okay, well, what if some people have a 4-digit member number? No problem. You can add a variable length to this. So you can add a square bracket and then add an optional number. So that means that someone can enter here either 3 or 4 numbers for this last section. So that's it. That's data input masking in Jotform. There are lots of ways to use this to make sure that the data you're getting is accurate the first time. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about input masking or anything else in Jotform in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more Jotform tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss any coming out too. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.